Good morning, dear student. Dear student, your third chapter, operating system. Yes, operating system is completed. Okay, so today we shall discuss about the question answer. So first of all, let's revise about that chapter. Operating system. So student, what is operating system? Operating system is software program, okay, designed to run other programs on a computer, okay, and control the hardware device. Clear about the operating system? Operating system, this is a part of system software, okay. Yes, you know that two types software. First, system software and application software, okay. Yeah, so that's operating system is a part of system software, okay student. So a software program, operating system is software program designed to run other program on a computer and control the hardware devices. Clear student about the, and in this topic one more things have booting student. Yes, so booting is starting or restarting a computer is called booting. Clear? Booting, starting or restarting a computer is called booting. And BPOS, that's batch processing operating system. RTOS, that's real time operating system. And Windows 7 student is a very popular operating system nowadays is running, okay. Yeah, so Windows 7 a GUI, that means student graphical user interface operating system developed by Microsoft. Yes student, Windows 7, who developed that operating system? So Microsoft, that developed by Microsoft company, okay student. Yes, and commonly used in personal computer, okay. Yes, and so complete that, and have many topic just the operating system also provide the interface between program and user, okay student. So that's very important topic in this chapter, operating system, that's interface between the program and the user, okay. Program and that user, we can say that user. So what's the role of operating system? Yes, so this is a interface interact between program and user. And so let's start. First question, multiple choice question, okay. Multiple choice question. So first question, the process to start, okay student. Look open your book and page number 37. The process to start or restart a computer is called a question. So answer is first booting. Okay, student. Second question, a processor performs an activity or operation is called. So that's B question. Answer third. Okay, and C question, latest Windows operating system is. So answer third also of C question. Windows 7. So this answer according by the option. Okay, student. Yes. And an operating system is specially designed to run application with very precise timing and reliability. So that's first answer, RTO. Yes, real time operating system. And you know that, student, the short form operating system, O. Yes. And last question of this section, an operating system designed by Google. So answer third. Android. Okay, student. Yes, Windows 7. You know that who developed that Windows 7? Windows 7 developed by the Microsoft company. Okay. Yes, and Symbian operating system. So that's developed by Nokia. Okay, and Google. Your question, Google operating system designed by Google. So that's Android. Okay. Yes. स्टूडेंट आपके मोबाइल में भी स्टूडेंट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. ओके. यस, विदाउट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इट कैन नॉट रन मोबाइल. सो आपके जो मोबाइल में एंड्रॉयड सिस्टम है, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वो क्या है? एंड्रॉयड. दिस इज द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ओके, फॉर द मोबाइल. यस, एंड विंडोज 7 ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज इन micro computer, just like desktop, laptop. Okay, yes. So write the correct question. And next question, fill in the blanks. Yes, student. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question of this section, an operating system is a program used to manage. Okay, so you know that which one? So that's first column, fill with software. Software, and second option, fill with hardware. Okay, and clear? B, the operating system plays the main role for interfacing. Okay, student, पूछ रहा है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का मेन रोल क्या होता है. सो और तो दैट्स इंटरफेस बिटवीन यूजर एंड कंप्यूटर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट फिल हियर यूजर विथ यूजर and second option fill with computer. Okay students, clear? And C, first Windows 7 and Windows 98 are the operating system that uses GUI. Windows 7 and Windows 8 are the operating system that uses GUI. And D question, the memory unit has very important role for data processing. Data processing. Okay students, and E, RTOS type of operating system is better version of real-time operating system. So that's RTOS. Okay. And F, Microsoft Windows and Macintosh are the living example of single user multitask operating system. So that's Microsoft Windows and Macintosh okay students. And G, Windows Embedded CE is Windows operating system designed for device with limited functionality. Okay, yes. Windows Embedded CE. Okay, yes. And last question of this section, fill in the blanks, is an OS runs on handheld supplied by Research in Motion. So that's BlackBerry operating system. BlackBerry operating system. Okay students, so that's your complete fill in the blanks section. So please write down in your notebook. And next question, statement true or false. Okay, so that's third, state true or false. So that's first question A, an operating system designed to run other programs on a computer. So answer true. Okay. Second question, the main job of operating system is to boot your computer system. That's yes, also true. And C, when you restart your computer, this function is called cold boot. No. Restart, जब आपका कंप्यूटर स्टूडेंट स्टार्ट हो जाता है फिर आप रिस्टार्ट करते हो, so that's called warm booting. Okay, not cold booting. So that is false. MS-DOS is an operating system that performs tasks using GUI. Yeah, so that's true. Windows 3.1 was succeeded by Windows 98. No. Windows 98 succeeded the Windows 7. So that's false. F. The palm-top computer uses a single-user operating system. Yes, true. And G. Windows 7 operating system is available for free on the World Wide Web. So false. And H. Windows Mobile is an operating system developed by Apple for the iPhone. No. False. Okay, students. So that's a complete true false section. So student, in the next video we shall discuss about the question answer. Thank you so much, student. So please write the answer in your notebook. Have a good day.